Hello everyone, welcome back to Southpaw 210 Outdoors. It's October 2nd, 2022. We're getting the remnants of the hurricane here in West Virginia. So not much hunting this weekend. One thing that I have learned over 30 years of bow hunting is that I'm not sitting out in the rainstorms in early October. Early November, yeah, I'll do it. But in early October, I'm just not going to do it. So what I got planned on today is I'm not going to treat it as a wasted opportunity. I'm going to head back up to the hunting camp. I'm going to refill both feeders, and I'm going to pull the cards out of the camera and replace those, and do a couple things at the camp that I'm going to try to get done. Now next Saturday, I unfortunately got scheduled to work, so I will not be able to bow hunt at least next Saturday morning. Maybe in the evening we get to hunt the house, and then probably next Sunday I'll be back up at the hunting camp. We're probably not going to go to Ohio until around Halloween time, do some hunting there, but you know, I'm still going to get out in the woods today and get some stuff done. So if you want to follow along with me today, I'm going to go going to Tractor Supply, getting some corn, and I'm going to head to the hunting camp. So should be exciting. I was going to bring Pepper, but being that it's so rainy and muddy, I didn't. I didn't want to deal with her being all muddy this evening. So. But when I go and stay prolonged at the camp, she'll be coming with me. So, all right, let's go to the hunting camp. So I'm at Tractor Supply. Got 3 bags of corn, but I did find this one bag. Now these bags are $13.99, and this one was ripped, probably short about 5 pounds of corn. So I got that bag for $4.50. So I used that money to get an extra battery for my feeder. So I used the money that I saved on the corn and got another battery for my feeder. Corn, just like everything else, has gone through the roof. I mean, you all know what we're paying for milk and everything else nowadays, and corn's no exception. But I'm hoping that the work I'm doing now is going to pay off. I know there's a lot of mast out there, and the deer are spread out, but I'm hoping that late in the season that these feeders are going to draw these does in, and then windows for the mature bucks going to be on their feet, hoping to pull them in there and hopefully take one. But if not, I should have plenty of meat does to take for the freezer this year too. So, all right. Leaving Tractor Supply, heading to camp. probably turn it on. So I'm gonna move on to my next stand. I don't know what the deal with this camera is. It says no SD card. I put a fresh one in. It's been formatted. I don't know. I'm gonna see what happens. But I got another camera I'm gonna put over at the other stand, and we'll head over that way. Hopefully it took pictures last week. Okay guys, if I didn't show you last week, here is my new stand that I hung last week. See the stand there? One up. There's the stand and the feeder right here. It's on a winch. So go ahead and get that filled up and see how that goes. Thanks everyone for joining me today on Southpaw 210 Outdoors. It actually quit raining about 2:30, 3 o'clock. Probably should have hunted this evening, but for me the preparation, I enjoy that just as much as hunting. So got a lot done today. You know, really looking forward. As the season progresses and the bucks are moving a little bit better, really looking forward to that. But got a lot done today. Got some things done here at the camp, inside the camp too. Like I said, next weekend, don't know how it's looking. I know I have to work on the 8th, and then on the 15th, me and my friend, we're actually coming up here and doing our yearly camp. We may do some squirrel hunting, but then after that, it'll be pretty much bow hunting until the rifle season. So looking forward to that. Also, I want to thank everyone. Within the last week and a half, I've hit 800 subscribers. So my channel, my little channel, is growing, and I really appreciate everyone. And I love all the interaction with everyone. And you know, I really appreciate that. So, like I said, I'm like a little bit over 800 subscribers. So, you know, it's very humbling to me. Like I said, I started this just to keep a diary for myself so my kids can see it one day. But if you'd have told me when I started that I'd have 800 subscribers, it's really really surprising to me. So I really appreciate that, and thank you. And also got some condolences for Crabby Bill. The PA archery season opened yesterday, and some of you guys on my channel follow Crabby Bill's channel, and he's really been putting in the work at his hunting camp, and he was getting ready, and he woke up to his father had a heart attack, and he had to leave camp and tend to his dad. So if you guys don't follow Crabby Bill, his channel's Crabby Bill. Go over, you know, wish him you know, some heartfelt thoughts for his father, who's fighting a heart attack right now. And you know, if you don't subscribe to Crabby Bill, go ahead and check it out and subscribe to it. It's a great channel. I think you guys will really enjoy it. But until next time, guys, as always, stay safe, and and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for everything. I don't know if this thing is on.